Doesn't this Christmas star look really festive? I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. Really simple star to make, and I'll show you what my mystery ingredient is for trying to get the arms on my star as even as possible. Let's get started. To make your Christmas star, you're going to need a children's hoop. Well, at least I find this the easiest way to make my template. But if you're good at eyeing up a 5-pointed star, you don't need a hoop. You'll also need nails, 5 nails. These are about 2 to 3 centimetres long, a hammer, and I've got a huge ball of wool. You could use Christmas ribbon if you had plenty of that. The first thing you need to do is to hang your hula hoop up on one of the nails. So it requires doing a bit of battering and it's quite noisy. And then when you've got your first nail in place, hang your hula hoop up. You need to imagine your 5-pointed star as being your head, your 2 hands and your 2 feet as well. So I've got a nail up here, and then I'll hammer in a nail off to one side, then the other side, and then down below, so that I've got these 5 anchor points for making my star. Then when you've got your 5 anchor points in place, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, is start off with your wool or the Christmas ribbon that you're going to be using. So I will tie this in a knot to anchor it in place. So once you've tied it in a knot to anchor it in place, you then start weaving. So I'm going to come down to the leg and then up to the arm, across to the other arm, each time just winding the ribbon round just so it locks in place, down to the bottom leg and back up to the top again. Oops. And then back up to the top. And once you get back to the top, you could tie off there, or if you think your star needs more definition, give it another wrap round. So to the bottom foot, up to the top arm, across to the other arm, down to the other foot, and then, oops, back to the top again. And I'll cut that off and tie off the loose ends so they are really secure. And there you have a really simple Christmas star. I do hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any ideas for what you'd like me to film in this short Christmas series, leave me a comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you another time.